Hi, welcome to biochemistry for the summer of 2021 at Baker. My name is Dr. Janet Miller-Monfils, and I am going to be your professor this time. I was in the sun today, have beautiful tan lines, so you can laugh at me, that's completely fine. So, anyway, I just wanted to give a quick little overview of the course. Tomorrow we meet on Mondays for the semester and explain a little bit about how I'm going to run the course. So, my full-time job is actually teaching biochemistry, and I've taught this biochemistry for Baker, I think about 4 times now. We will work together to make things work. How about that? So I sent this out as an announcement for you guys. So really print this off and use this as your Bible, if you will, because this is going to have your due dates, etc. So I've gotten a few emails about due dates, and so let's just clarify right now. I'm going to go in and put the actual due dates in today. The course technically launches tomorrow, but I'm going to finish putting in the due dates, etc. today so that they will show up. But for week 1, these are going to be due on Sunday of next week. So not today. Okay. So we're going to meet and then you have a whole week to work on it before they're due. And so again, I will update those in the course syllabus like online and put like the actual due dates, etc. So the assignments are due on Sunday before the next module starts. So again, this means that all of these module 1 assignments are going to be due next Sunday night at midnight. Okay. I used to be pretty lenient about like the late policy, but every single semester when I give you guys leniency, someone always comes in the last week of class and says, "Oh, I haven't done any of the assignments. Can I do them?" And since I have to work together with a bigger group, and we're doing I think 5 or 6 courses synchronously at the same time, I don't have quite as much flexibility this time. So I do have to adhere to Baker's late policy in that there's going to be a 10% deduction in score per day with no credit given after 7 days. Okay. So again, for your first week, and again, this isn't going to be due until next Sunday. What you're going to be doing is going over and doing the homeworks for chapter 1 and 2, and then also the quiz. And again, I'm going to be putting in those due dates so that they'll show right up on your course, in the course shell. Also, what I have done and how I'm going to run this class is that I'm trying to look for this. So I recorded videos, okay, for all of the units. Okay, so let me move over a little bit. And so I will put these in each of the modules. And again, this will be done today before the course officially launches tomorrow. But I recorded videos on YouTube. And so this is going to be like interpreting graphs, scientific notation. It tells you the YouTube address and then also how long it is. And so what I need you guys to do is before coming to class, you need to have watched the video, because what we're going to be doing in class, it's kind of like a flipped classroom in a way, and I found that this is very helpful and the most helpful for you, and so this is why I do it. But we're going to be going through questions together as a class. So your lecture is going to be the recorded videos, and you can do that all on your time. And I do want you to have those done before coming to class. Obviously this week is a little bit different because class is on Monday and I'm just getting these out for you today. But I'm going to go and update each of the modules so that the videos are going to be there ready for you to access whenever you want to. And I want you to have at least read the chapter, so that we can do the questions together. So instead of taking your time to lecture at you, I took my time outside of class to record the videos, and then I can give them to you and you can do them on your own time. And then we can work together as a class to do questions together. Okay. So our meeting time on Mondays are going to be to work through problems together as a class. Okay. So I have a way that I can write on my screen. I have, questions that are pulled up, and we'll work through them, work through the formulas, etc. And those are pretty helpful. And so with that being said, instead of meeting for the whole 3 hours, what we're going to usually end up doing is we meet for about an hour to an hour and a half, and you still get your full time of, course contact time, because again, all of these recordings of the different chapters are to be looked at on your own time. So you can do it during class time after we meet if you want to still keep in that block of time, or you can do it beforehand. Obviously do the next week's videos after we meet, etc. You know what I'm saying. But anyway, I'm giving you more power in your hands because you are all adults and you can all make your own decisions. And then you can stop, pause, rewind it, and rewatch it if you're ever stuck on a problem and you don't end up zoning out, right? And so it ends up working really well. And so that's how we're going to be running the course. And again, I'm going to work on, in the next hour, I'll have all of those due dates and everything, and also the link for Mastering Chemistry sent out to you guys as updates. And I look forward to meeting y'all tomorrow. All right, welcome to Biochem.